Is it above, below, to the right, or to the left? Get ready to answer. Where is the cat? It is to the right. It is to the left. Where is the cat? It is below. It is to the right. Where is the cat? It is to the left. It is above. It is to the right. It is below. Where is the cat? It is below. It is to the left. It is to the right. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Skye's workshop video.